Hi, this is Ann Michael Henry, Workplace Productivity Strategist. And as an Outlook user, you're probably a little tired of getting spam. So I want to show you today 3 different ways that you can reduce your spam. So go ahead and take a look at my Outlook. And let's take a look at this email that's in my inbox. And let's suppose I don't want to receive it anymore. So I can right click on it. You'll get a drop down box, junk, and I can block that sender. And that sender will forever be blocked. So that's one way. There's a couple other ways. Junk email options. And here's where you can define all of your email options and all of that. But what I really want to show you is international, right? So when I first did this years ago, it was the funniest thing. I used both of these options and my email volume dropped by probably almost 80% because I was getting so much junk. Now, there's so many filters these days that you can add and all of that. So it might not necessarily be that bad, but these are just a couple tricks that you can add to your arsenal to reduce the spam. So the first one is the blocked domain list. So every country has its own dot whatever. So .al for Albania, .ar for Argentina. So for me personally, I've blocked them all. I've just selected them all and I don't get any email coming in from any of these countries. If somebody from one of those countries wants to get a hold of me, they are welcome to go to my website and fill out a form, and then I can add them to the safe recipients list, okay? And we're good to go. So you can do that. Block the domain list. And then you can block encoding list. So these are different languages. I used to get things from the China sourcing company. Oh, I have no idea whether it was simplified Chinese or traditional Chinese. I have no idea. I am not multilingual. So I, again, have selected all of these and clicked OK. And between those two things, I have blocked a whole bunch of email. Interestingly enough, I have a block senders list, and in preparation for doing this short little productivity pointer, I decided to export this list and see how many blocked email addresses I had. Well, I have over 2,740 blocked email addresses. Even if they all sent one a week, that would be 10 emails a day that I would be getting. And we all know they send a whole bunch more than that. So, I don't know. I could be blocking 50, 75, 100, couple hundred emails a day just by doing what I've done. Right-clicking on the email, making it junk, going to international and blocking the domain extensions and the encodings, and I've reduced the amount of junk I get. It's rather delightful. I hope you like this productivity pointer. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Thanks so much. Bye.